In this video, we'll show you how to convert a proposal into an invoice. Now, you can convert an entire proposal into one invoice, or you can have items on multiple invoices from that same proposal. For example, this proposal right here has these two items at the top are on invoice 1167, and down here, this one is on 1169. But we have a bunch of items in the middle that are not on an invoice. Now you can put each of these items on an invoice individually by clicking this button, but if you want to do it all at one time, just come up and hit convert to invoice. And here you open up the new invoice form, and we're going to just check and make sure all this information carried over and is correct. And you can edit this as you need to. Hit submit. Now this opens up the next page, which lets you choose which items you want on that new invoice. And here we're going to select all these items in this case and click the link selected items to invoice. Click update. And now it opens up that new invoice with just these items on it right here. And you can see that they're on proposal number 1. And so if we go back to proposal number 1 by clicking that number, now you can see that these two items at the top are still on 1167, the invoice. And then here we have the new invoice, 1170, applied to all these items. And then we have the one at the bottom on its own invoice. So you can take a proposal with a very large list of items on it and invoice it in a number of different ways, all on the same invoice or on several different invoices, however you need it to be.